In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in Google Sheets. A hyperlink lets you turn a plain cell into a quick jump to a website or an email draft, which is great for reference lists, contact sheets, or dashboards. To get started, open your Google Sheets document and click the cell where you want the link to live. Choosing the cell first tells Sheets exactly where to place the hyperlink. Now move to the top toolbar and select the Insert menu, then choose Link. This opens a small link box on screen. In that box, type or paste the website URL you want to use, or enter the email address you want people to contact. Take a moment to check for extra spaces and make sure the address is complete. For websites, include the full address so the link works reliably. For email, entering the address will create a link that opens a new draft to that contact. Below the link field, you'll see the option to set the display text. This is the text that will actually appear in the cell. If you leave it as the URL or email, that's fine, but using clear, readable text often looks better. For example, instead of a long web address, you might write a short label like Project Plan or Company Site. Descriptive text makes your sheet easier to scan and helps collaborators understand where the link goes at a glance. When you're happy with the link and the display text, click Apply. The cell will now show your chosen text with an underline, indicating it's clickable. You've successfully inserted the hyperlink into the selected cell. Before you move on, test the link to confirm it behaves as expected. Hover your mouse over the cell to see a preview card with the destination. From there, you can click to open the website in a new tab, or if it's an email link, a new message draft will open in your default email app. Verify the page or the recipient is correct. If something doesn't look right, repeat the same process to replace the address and update the display text, then apply again. That's all it takes. By selecting the cell, using Insert and Link, entering the URL or email, choosing Clear Display Text, applying, and then checking the result, you can add polished, reliable hyperlinks to any Google Sheet with confidence.